So, hello guys, I hope you all are good and everything is fine. So, first of all, please like and subscribe my channel. So, today our topic is how to make cute male avatar in Imvu. So, first of all, you need to log in your Imvu account, then click on shop. After that, you need to go in avatar section and search here for kids. You can see here some kids avatar poses, so you can wear one. After wearing this, then go to men section, then go to heads and search here for kids. Then you can see here different kids head for your avatar. I'm gonna wear this. You can remove item from your avatar to see your face if you are wearing some items on your face. After that, you need to go in hairstyles, check hairstyles. You can see this is kid hairstyle, so I'm gonna wear this. I think I need to remove some accessories from my face and ear, so this is looking gangsta kid. After that, you need to find some cute clothes for this kid avatar. Go to clothes. So first of all, go to bottom, and you can see here some kids clothes. After that, you can scale your avatar. Click on all and search here for scaler. You need a scaler which make your avatar small, like 80% scaler. I'm already wearing a scaler, so now I need to remove that scaler. So I think 80% is something won't work for me. I need more small scaler, so I will apply 75% scaler. So as you can see, this is how you can make a kid avatar for Imvu. So please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So bye.